Hi all, today I invite you to listen these short video app details. Recently, Government of India has banned TikTok, Hello and many other apps from China. So we have to find out any other alternative to these apps. Most of the youngsters are using TikTok, Hello app to create their own videos to share it with their friends. But there are so much controversies about using these apps all over the countries. Most of the countries are planning to ban these apps, so it is better to replace these apps with the more transparent apps like Dubsmash, Madlibs, Enjoy, Ruposo, and Searchat. So it is to avoid any data privacy issues and any other controversies using these apps. You can use your own creativity and create short video by using these apps and share it with your friends and enjoy the videos. So it is better to uninstall all these Chinese apps and replace with these apps. Thank you for watching this video.